Hi, I'm Max Vaffa with ttag, and today I'm going to be talking all things Amazon. So first off, Amazon is a delivery service and website that can bring to your doorstep all different sorts of things, from household appliances to food to athletic gear. If you can think of it, if you can name it, Amazon has it. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to go to Amazon.com, as I already have. And once you're here, you can browse things like if I just looked up lamps or something. If I wanted a new lamp for my room, it's gonna bring me up a bunch of different lamp options, and I can click on them and read reviews and all that. But we'll get to that in a second. So first off, what I want to do is I want to make an Amazon.com account. So I'm going to come up here to Hello, Sign In. Right under this big yellow orangish box, New Customer, Start Here. I'm just going to click on Start Here. So we'll just come up with some name because I already have an email account. Actually, you know what? We'll use my name in my email account. We'll say my name and then my email. And then for a password, I'm just going to put something that has a good mix of capitals and lower cases and numbers, exclamation point, pound sign, just some sort of mix that, is not going to be easily predictable. It's going to be something difficult for anybody who wants to mess with your stuff to figure out. And that just, kind of cybersecurity 101. So I'm just going to hit create your Amazon account. So they sent me a one-time password to my email. So I'm just going to come over to my email, and voila, here it is. So this is my one-time password. So I'm just going to, if I can, I'm just going to copy it right here. I hit Command-C, or if you're on Windows, Control-C. And then I'm just going to come over here, Command-V, Control-C if you're on Windows, create my Amazon account. So now I have an account and I have free range of the entire website. So going back to what I was doing earlier, let's say I wanted a new lamp for my room. I got tired of my old one, it broke, whatever it may be. So I'm just going to look up lamp. And it brings me up all these different options. Here are a few different ideas for what I need my lamp for. So bedrooms lamps, living room lamps, office lamps. So let's say I need an office lamp. Let's say I need something to brighten up my desk a little bit. And so one really handy tool that Amazon has is this thing called Amazon's Choice, which you can see right up here. And Amazon's Choice makes it really easy for me to see kind of what they like, what product they've been getting good reviews on, what product they think is the best, that kind of thing. And then right here we have just a really easy kind of display. We have a nice photo of it right here. We have the title, kind of a little bit of a description. We have the rating. So this is 4.7 out of 5 stars out of nearly 1,400 ratings. So that's really good. And then we also have prices and when it can get here. So I'm just going to scroll around for a little bit, see if there's one I like. And oh, this one's a bestseller, so that also means it could be very good. Let's see, are there any cool ones here? Okay, I like this one right here. So I'll go ahead and just click on that, just one click on it, and take a look in here. And so right here on the bottom left of my current screen, I have a bunch of different photo options I can look at. Sorry, it's loading. But if you just drag your mouse or click on it, it will pull up the different photos. And then right here, I'm not going to watch it because I don't want to waste your time, but there's a video here that we can watch about this lamp. So a bunch of different cool ways to see it and see it in action. Here are different color options, so I could either get cream or, let's see what color this one is. So I could either get cream or I could get white. Let's say I prefer white. And then right here are a bunch of the different details about it. So color, style, the type of light it is, the power source, the shade material. So this is kind of a quick rundown of all the things you need to know about, just kind of a 101 about the lamp. And then here there's kind of a similar thing, just in a lot more detail. So, you can read into this, see all the different like nitty gritty of it. And then right here, you have different ratings for kind of how easy it is to assemble, packaging, brightness, thickness, and you can hit see all reviews. But that's just a nice little breakdown of kind of the individual aspects and the way that people have been responding to them. And then if you come down here, there's a bunch of different options. Normally these are from the same company or a similar company. These are, again, just different options if you're liking, kind of what you're saying with that lamp, but you're not in love with it, so you want something similar. Again here, as I'm scrolling down, just more details, individual little things about the lamp, how the light works, the cool features it can do, things like that. But then if you come down here, this is where you get all of the details. This is where you see size, weight, color, material, power, voltage, wattage, whatever you may need. And so that can be really helpful if you have something specific in your mind that you just really want. Again, more information. If you just scroll down, you'll be overwhelmed with information on it. Again, here, compare with similar items. You like this type of lamp, but you don't love the individual one. You just keep looking. So now if I come all the way down to the bottom here, I get to customer questions and answers. And I personally love this page because, there are questions from just random people like me that want to know things about the lamp or have the lamp and are leaving recommendations, So here, just question and answer. Easy, straightforward, right to the point. It's a great resource. And then if you hit this button right here, you see all of the different questions that have been answered on this page. And here are the reviews. So here I can see in-depth reviews. People post videos, photos, little like descriptions of what they like, what they didn't like. And these are nice because you're getting it from a real person. You know that whoever is writing this is not, bought out or whatever. It is someone exactly like you on this same website that has bought this lamp or whatever it is, doesn't have to be a lamp obviously, but has bought this like product and they love it or they dislike it and they'll let you know. And so that's just a really handy tool to have, along with the easy little star system right here that just, lays it out. Again, more recommendations. So that's just kind of the normal process on Amazon. You look up what you want, you look up the product, and then, you scroll around for your prices, you scroll around for this, that, recommendations, reviews, specs, whatever it may be. And then once you want it, if you've decided this is what you like, you can hit add to cart, which will put it in your cart, which is kind of like a virtual shopping cart, if you will. You have it on hold almost, like it's within your grasp, you can buy it, but you can continue shopping in the meantime, or you can just hit this button right here for buy now. So let's just say we'll hit add to cart, asking me if I want kind of a protection plan. I'm going to say no thanks. And so now in the top right, we can see that I have one item in my cart. And so I can just go and click on that to go to my cart at any time. Again here, add it to cart, subtotal around $40. But, I can just, I can keep shopping if I want, or I can proceed to checkout. So let's say, along with my lamp, I need some printer paper. So I just type printer paper in, hit enter. Boom, here's another Amazon choice, 4,000 sheets of paper, around $30. Looks like a good deal to me. So again, I can scroll through all of these different details and specs on it if I, if I'm not set on getting this individual package of paper. And then right here I have different options. So I can get subscribe and save, which is like if you want to get repeated deliveries. So deliver every X amount of time right here. If I just click on this, I can change how often I get it. Or you can just come up here and hit one-time purchase. Here are all the different options for how frequently I can get it. I can get my paper if I want to do like a subscription plan. But let's just say I want it one time, so I just hit one-time purchase and let it change. And we'll go ahead and we'll just add that to the cart as well. So now I have my paper and I have my light, and they're both in my cart, 2 items, $67.98. So we'll go proceed to checkout. And so here I'm just gonna put in my address, and then after this, I'll go ahead and put it in real quick. Okay, I don't want to put my address in, but let's just say I did. And then I'd hit use this address, and then it would take me to a screen. Actually, you know what? I'll put my address. I'll just put in a random one. There we go. Perfect. Use this address. There we go. And so now I can choose delivery options. So Thursday the 1st for free, or Tuesday the 30th for $25. That's a lot to me, so we'll go with the free shipping. And then we'll hit continue here. You know, free shipping comes a little later, but at the end of the day, free shipping is free shipping. And so now I'm gonna add a credit or debit card. I'm not gonna put my card number in for obvious reasons, but that's it. I'd hit add my card, and then this would be highlighted, you know, available for me to click because I have a card in there. I hit continue, and then it will ask me if I'm sure. I'll just say I'm sure, and then that's it. It's been processed. You've done all you need to do on your end, and now it will be shipped to your house, you know, on that date. It said Thursday the 1st. So, I mean, three-day delivery. That's pretty impressive. So yeah, that's all things Amazon. You know, just look up what you want, scroll through the different items, scroll down on the items to see reviews, recommendations, details about the product. But that's it. That's what there is to Amazon. Thank you so much for listening, and if you have any questions at all, please be sure to leave them in the comments, and I will answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a nice day.